Hello students, today we will discuss about chapter number 1st, Nutrition in Plants. First of all, we will know about nutrition. What is nutrition? Nutrition is the mode of taking food by an organism and utilizing the food for its growth and development. Now we will know about the types of nutrition. There are two types of nutrition, Autotrophic nutrition and Heterotrophic nutrition. Now our topic is Autotrophic nutrition. All green plants prepare their own food by the process of photosynthesis and hence are said to have autotrophic mode of nutrition. Plants are therefore called autotrophs. As the food is produced in the presence of sunlight, the process is called photosynthesis. The green plants contain a pigment called chlorophyll that gives green color to the plants. Chlorophyll traps sunlight and stomata take in carbon dioxide from the atmosphere. The roots of the plants absorb water and minerals from the soil. During the process of photosynthesis, the chlorophyll converts sunlight into chemical energy in the presence of carbon dioxide and water. Glucose and oxygen are the products of photosynthesis. Glucose is stored in the form of starch in the leaves. The food formed by the leaves of the plants are transported to the different parts of the plants for utilization and storage as per need. Now we will know about the conditions necessary for photosynthesis. The conditions necessary for the process of photosynthesis are: number 1, chlorophyll. It is the green pigment present in the leaves of the plants. The pigment is located in the chloroplast in plant cell. Carbon dioxide. The carbon dioxide gas present in the atmosphere enters the leaves through small openings called stomata. Each stomata consists of two guard cells and a stomatal opening. And rest of the conditions are sunlight and water and minerals. Now our next topic is heterotrophic nutrition. Plants that cannot prepare their own food and depend on another organism for their nutrition are known as heterotrophs. This mode of nutrition is called heterotrophic nutrition. This type of nutrition can be further categorized into parasitic, insectivorous, saprophytic and symbiotic nutrition. Let us discuss the different type of heterotrophic nutrition in detail. Parasites. Some plants derive their nutritional requirements from another living organism. Plants which exhibit this type of nutrition are called parasitic plants. Parasitic plants live in or on the body of another living plant called the host that provides nourishment to them. Parasitic plants penetrate the host plant's conductive system, that is xylem and phloem, with the help of their modified roots known as hostoria. They are capable of absorbing water and nutrients from the host plant. Cuscuta is a yellowish plant that is found intervened on the green plants. Dodder, Australian Christmas tree, dwarf mistletoe, and copse flower are some other examples of parasitic plants. Some plants grow in soil that is deficient in certain important nutrients such as nitrogen. These plants feed on insects to meet their nutritional requirements and are called insectivorous plants. Venus flytrap, many types of pitcher plants, bladderwort and sundew plant are some examples of insectivorous plants. Ceprotropes. The plants that live on dead and decaying organic matter and derive nutrients from them are called saprophytic plants or saprotropes. Saprotropes are usually whitish, but some plants can have brightly colored flowers, often with no leaves at all. They often live in deep shades in tropical forests. They secrete digestive juices on a dead and decaying matter to dissolve them and absorb the nutrients. Indian pipe is an example of a saprotroph. Symbiosis. In symbiotic nutrition, organisms develop mutual relationship with other organisms to obtain nutrients. In this way, both the organisms help each other. The organisms involved in this type of relationship are known as symbionts, and this relationship is known as symbiosis. Lichens are a perfect example of a symbiotic relationship. Now we will know how are nutrients replenished in the soil. We know that the plants absorb nutrients and water from the soil. It is a continuous process, so the amount of nutrients in the soil decreases. As a result, farmers add fertilizers to the soil to maintain the proportion of nutrients in the soil. The bacterium known as rhizobium lives in the roots of leguminous plant such as grams, peas and beans. It converts atmospheric nitrogen into nitrogenous forms that can be absorbed by plants. Finally, the soil becomes rich in nitrogen and more fertile. In return, the plant provides food and shelter to the bacteria. This is an excellent example of a symbiotic relationship. Thank you.